Welcome to Study Loop.
Here, in this question, first we can write down a given data, that is the value of Pm is equal to 1.82 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter cube at STP divided by S meter square ATM by meter. So this is our value of the larger permeability. Now the area is given, that is equal to 0.2 meter square, and the thickness, that is our delta T, is equal to 0.1 millimeter. So we can write in meter, that is equal to 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So first we can find out the value of inside vapor pressure of water vapor, that is given is equal to 10 millimeter of mercury. So we can write in ATM, that is equal to 0.01315 atmospheric pressure, and the pressure at area 2, that is this is our pressure at area 1, and the pressure at area 2, that is 5 millimeter of mercury, that means 0.0065 atmospheric pressure. So we can calculate out the value of flux, that is Na is equal to Pm divided by 22.414. This is our constant, this is our thickness, multiplied by Pa1 minus Pa2. So if we put these values, that is 1.82 into 10 to the power minus 10 multiplied by 0.013 minus 0.0065 divided by 22.414 multiplied by 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So what will be the value of Na is comes out, that is equal to 5.34 into 10 to the power minus 10 kilogram mole per meter square and second. Now we have to find out the what amount of rate in this equation, that is equal to Na multiplied by the molecular weight m multiplied by area. So Na value is 5.34 into 10 to the power minus 10 multiplied by 18.02 multiplied by 0.2. This is our area. So we can write the rate is equal to 1.925 into 10 to the power minus 9 kilogram per second. So we can convert it to a gram per second, that is 1.925 into 10 to the power minus 6 gram per second. So we know that a situation, that is 1 day, is equal to 24 hour. So we can convert it to a second, so we can multiply it, that is 8000 sorry 86400 second. So this is our 1 second is equal to 1 by 86400 per day. So we can multiply the rate in per day, that is equal to 1.925 into 10 to the power minus 6 multiplied by 1 by, that is our 186400 per day divided by the value of G, gram per day. So what will be the rate, that is equal to 0.1663 gram per day and this is our final answer.